Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I did something a little different. Instead of me trying foundation, I actually tried a BB cream today, which is from Black Radiance, which you could get from your local drugstore or even beauty supply store. They do sell their products. So in this video I just wanted to show you guys how to get like a natural look. This is very good for the summer, or when it's like you don't want to do too much and put on too much makeup where you look like you're caked up but you still want to look like done up. So if you guys like what you see, please continue. So I already did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I did that, I actually have a video on it and that link will be down below. So I also did my lashes off camera, and that video would be linked down below if you want to check out how I applied my lashes. Also guys, in this clip my eyes will be blinking like crazy, and it's really because I think the lashes were too long for my eyes and I was just blinking like a crazy person. So don't mind that and just continue watching. Thank you.